Getting started online with building a business is hard, and it's even harder if you're a complete beginner and you're not sure of where to get started. Now, there are multiple different ways in how you can approach getting started with building some sort of system or building a business, but the majority of us out there genuinely don't really know what we're doing. And the problem is that we usually have the wrong mindset, because we only think of building a business just with the goal of making money first, before and over everything else. But the reality is in order to build a business, you first have to build a rapport with people. You have to build an audience, which requires you to provide value and to build trust with people. Now, there are many different ways in which you can get started. You can go down the route of reading blog posts, checking out various online courses on the likes of Udemy, watching random YouTube videos that will help you to figure out the foundations and learn the basics of what you need to do. And while they are relevant to some degree, trying to find everything that you need all in one place can be quite difficult. And unfortunately, for you to have access to that, you will need to pay for those type of services so that you can have all of the step-by-step structured processes that you'll need to figure everything out. Now, there are a multitude of different services online, and the best way for you, ideally now, if you have a budget to get started with and you want a helping hand in order to fast track your way to success, then there are a multitude of different platforms and programs online that will help you get started. And one of them that's been around for a while is known as the Six-Figure Mentors. There are a multitude of other platforms online like Wealthy Affiliate, Taking Action Online, and loads of different ones, and they're all very good in their own right. I myself have been part of a few of them over the years, and they're all very relevant. They all teach you the things that you need to know, and Six-Figure Mentors will do the same. So what this platform will do is it will give you a ground up leveling system to figure out how to literally just get started with whatever it is that you're looking to do. So you have access to different enrollment system that you'll need to sign up. Now, compared to other platforms with the likes of Wealthy Affiliate and so forth, you can sign up for a free account and you can gain access to the basic level of tools and resources for free. All you need is to sign up with your email address and you can pretty much get the ball rolling. But with many other platforms and the Six-Figure Mentors, unfortunately you will need to pay in advance to gain access to a lot of the resources and features. Now, you can sign up to the multitude of email lists that they have at their disposal that will give you access to various types of free training that will help you on your way. But if you want access to all of the systems and intricate features, which I will now show you in a second, you will need to pay upfront in order to gain access. Now, you can sign up at the basic level, which is the student access, that will give you the bare minimum of the tools and features that are required. As you can see here, it gives you access to the introductory system modules and various education features. But in order to gain all of the additional systems that will show you how to build your business from scratch, and that will give you access to additional features, you will need to at least opt into the essential membership. And where this will give you all of the intricate features, it will teach you how to build your website, how to set up your email autoresponders using the likes of Aweber, how to build your email lists, and generally all of the things that you need to do to understand how to promote products and services. Now, in saying that, while you can access all of the initial features and services inside, the only downside with it is the fact is that all of the promotional elements are geared towards more of promoting the platform itself. So you don't really have much say in terms of what you can promote outside of that for the most part. If you are ambitious and you have a bit more money to spend, you can opt in for the highest level, which is the elite membership, which again will unlock even more features. So if you do gain access to it, you will gain access to the Digital Experts Academy, which will give you a multitude of different operations at your disposal that will open up other avenues and give you another vast array of tools to help you. And the highest membership will give you access to all of the tools that you need, and will give you other intricate platforms to work with and additional resources that you can start promoting, not just the Six-Figure Mentors, but you can adapt and create your own products and services and then start selling your own type of ideas and other type of promotions and so forth. While it is relevant and it is useful and there's a lot of stuff in this platform, you also gain access to a load of different different Facebook groups and communities, and there's an abundance of people inside that will help you with what you need to do. But if you're just starting out and you have little to no budget, this will be very, very expensive. You may not be able to maintain it, because even when you do enroll, even on the essential platform, which will cost you a minimum, even if you sign up to the student section, it's going to cost you a minimum of $99 just to sign up, and then you'll have to pay a minimum then of $99 per month then to keep your account active. Now you can downgrade, or you can say you close your account if you want and go back to it at a later stage, but if you downgrade to a student account, you will instantly lose access to all of the intricate features and tools and resources. But on the downside as well is that while it's geared for people that are coming in to use the platform essentially to promote the six-figure mentors themselves, if you downgrade your account to student access, you won't be able to promote them as an affiliate. You'll lose that access. Now you'll still have all of your details, like your payment details and relevant links and so forth, which you'll find inside of your training modules. So if you come into your dashboard, as you can again see here, you'll see like your referral partner. You'll also gain access to a consultant. You'll have all of the additional training features and tools available to show you how to get started from scratch, how to build a website, how to build out a funnel, how to plan promotions, even get set up with your email autoresponder. You'll have additional tools, create affiliate links, and add in any payment structures and features. But it's only accessible from the essential membership and up. If you gain access to the student access or student membership, you will lose a lot of this, and again you won't be able to promote the platform either. So the downside with this is, while it has some really useful tools and features and it has access to a great and thriving community, you need to be a paying member in order to promote. Now I can understand the reason behind that is, again, they want only enthusiastic and they want legitimate people promoting their services, which I definitely get, but it literally will leave it not accessible to those that do want to promote it but can't afford to, in other words. So you have to be a paying member in order to get involved in the platform itself. If you do sign up to the essential membership, you will have access to all of these features. You'll be able to adjust your subscriptions, membership statuses. You'll have access to all of the standard training tutorials that'll show you exactly what it is that you need to do. You will also have other relevant features, tools, resources you'll be able to look at, and download various marketing banners that you can use on your websites and blogs, banner images that you can use. You can set up tracking links, set up your own customized affiliate links. You can also look at the leads that you've gained. You can look at all of the other various compliance guidelines, even check your referrals. You can set up your commission structure. Now you will have to link, say, your bank details and so forth in order to be paid out, but again you need to be minimum of the essential membership in order to start earning commissions from it. But if you do decide to sign up to the elite membership, you will gain access to all of the additional features. So you'll have access to the newer version of the six-figure mentors, which is Launch You. You'll be able to gain access to this. You'll have access to the mentors community, where you can create your own blog posts, engage with the community, network with other up-and-coming marketers. You will also gain access to the Digital Experts Academy. Again, this here will provide more additional training and resources, where you'll have more direct contact with many of the coaches inside of the platform that'll teach you exactly what it is that you need to do. Plus you'll have access to a different method of training materials and resources, so you can also get certified from within the platform itself with different types of skills and structures, anything from copywriting to email marketing, paid traffic, e-commerce marketing, content marketing, social media mastery, and the like. So if you want to upgrade your skills, this will give you another avenue in which to do so. Also, as part of your membership, you will also gain access to the LinkedIn learning platform. So they have combined their efforts with LinkedIn. So if you've paid for your monthly membership, which will cost you about $99 for the month, each month after you've initially signed up, you will also gain access to the multitude of training modules and resources and online courses that are active within the LinkedIn learning platform online. So you can also acquire new skills and resources, or if you're looking to figure out more ways of how you can utilize what you're using inside of the six-figure mentors, you can use these platforms here additionally to build up your confidence and build up your skills. The one thing that you'll notice about the likes of with the communities and so so forth, you will gain access to a ton of different Facebook groups, and there's loads of different events and live tutorials and training pretty much every day. And the main goals of getting set up is to focus on changing your mindset. That's one of the core aspects that a lot of the training modules will focus around, which you trying to set your business up, is trying to get into the right frame of mind so that you can consistently promote on a regular basis. Because if you don't have the right mindset to build an online business, you're not going to make money. So that is one of the core emphasis of the training inside of the Six Figure Mentors. But even with all of the unique features, again with the essential level, if you're looking to promote, which you can earn decent commissions on the platform, but you have to be signed up to at least the essential membership in order to start earning commissions. Anything below that you won't be able to earn them at all. But you can downgrade to the student setup at no additional cost, but again you will lose a lot of the benefits and preferences. So you can sign up to the essential membership. Again, it's an enrollment fee of €99. There's $97 per month after that. And then again, if you want to gain access to the additional features inside, you will then have to upgrade for a one-time fee of $2,500, which in some ways, in order to give you access to all of the tools and resources that you will have in one place, because literally everything is in here, it might be a worthwhile investment. But if you're just starting out and you're struggling with money, it might not be the best suitable avenue for you at that current time. It really just depends on your own wants and needs and what you can afford at that time. Now, while it does have a multitude of different features, again, the core focus with the platform is again to really promote the Six Figure Mentors itself, which in a lot of ways is good in many respects. But if you do want to start promoting other services, you will have to opt into the highest paid tier in order to give you that ability to do so. Anything outside of that realm won't really allow you to do that on the other tiers, so it can leave you somewhat limited. Now, you can take what you need from it. You can essentially sign up, you can gain access to all of the training modules, resources, everything pretty much that you need to get started, and you can learn the core aspects and values from there, because again it does walk you through the entire process of how to get started, building a website, setting up your advertising properties, building out your funnels, building out your email autoresponders, and showing you exactly what you need to do to link everything together. Plus they give you all sorts of additional resources also that can allow you to set up your various email automations through Aweber. So they will even create emails for you, so you don't have to really do anything. Well, you might have to, you'll have to come in and maybe change your wording and change a few different things, but they simplify the process for you. So that in itself will make things a lot easier for you moving forward. But even aside from that, while it is a good platform, it might not be for everybody, again because there is a learning curve around it, but there's also a huge cost in terms of the entry levels to gain access to the multitude of different training resources and modules. But alongside of all of the initial features, the one major issue that many people could have is because the fact that there's so many groups and there's so many different trainings going on, and it's very, very active, it can very easily become distracting to a point that you can be getting involved with so many different aesthetics that sometimes you might just forget to focus on the one core aspect of building your business from the offset. And I think that's where a lot of people can initially get caught out. So my advice would be, if you were deciding to look into this, is that just to focus on following through the training and just to get your business basics and foundations built up and focus on that aspect. If you want to dive into the other training and material, you can do so, but do it sparingly. Don't try to do everything all at once, because you won't really get anywhere. The best thing to do is just take it one stage at a time, focus on one thing for a while, then when you feel like you're ready to move on, then you can adapt and move forward. So that's where you'll get the most out of a platform like this. But again, it's up to yourself, it's up to your own preferences. It is what it is. It is a good platform to show you how to get started with building a business, but at the same time it might not be for everybody because it is expensive. There is a massive upfront cost. If you're a beginner just starting out, this may not be the best suit for you, at least not until you've acquired or are starting to make money, or you can afford to do so. There are other alternatives online, which I will cover in another video, that will show you other platforms and give you kind of different overviews of the benefits, pros and cons, and to see which one would be a better fit for you. So again, make sure to keep an eye out for that one. And if you are interested in finding out more about the Six Figure Mentors or any other online training platforms, you can check out the various other videos I have on the channel that shows and goes into more detail around some of the specific elements that's needed to get started with them. I'll have links for them down in the description so that you can go and check them out. And if you would want to see more content around other types of platforms like this, where that shows you all of the basics and everything that you need to get a business up and running, then you can leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to be updated of future videos. And I will see you all in the next one.